In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timer to your Google Slides presentation. Whether you want to keep track of speaking time during a presentation or incorporate a countdown for an activity, embedding a timer is a neat and easy trick that can enhance your slideshow. Now, let's get started. Begin by opening up your Google Slides presentation and navigate to the specific slide where you'd like the timer to be displayed. You want your timer to be visually accessible, so consider where you'll best be able to see it as you present. Once you're on the right slide, we'll move on to the next step. In the menu at the top of your screen, you'll find the Insert tab. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select the Video option. This will open up a new window where you'll be able to find the YouTube video that will serve as your timer. At this point, you have a couple of options. You could directly search for a timer video within this window, perhaps something like a 5-minute timer if that's what you require. Alternatively, if you already have a specific YouTube URL in mind, maybe a timer video you've used before, you can simply paste it into the search bar. Once you've found the video, go ahead and insert it into your slide. Don't worry, you can adjust how it looks afterward. Now you can see the video thumbnail on your slide. It's likely not exactly where or the size you want it to be, so feel free to resize and reposition it. Just click and drag to fit it into the perfect spot, whether you want it front and center or tucked away in a corner, whatever suits your needs and design of the slide. Now that your video is in position, click on it to highlight. You'll see a panel open up on the right side of your screen with format options. Here, go to Video Playback Settings. You'll find the option to choose how you want the video to start. For a timer, having it start automatically is typically the most convenient choice. It might also be useful to keep the sound muted, especially if you're going to be speaking while the timer counts down. As you wrap things up, go ahead and start your presentation. When you get to the slide with the timer, the video will begin automatically if you've set it that way. If not, a simple click will kick it off. And just like that, the countdown begins. Now you're all set to have a seamless presentation with a functional timer that fits right into your slides. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to adding a timer to your Google Slides presentation. I hope you find this feature helpful in keeping your presentations organized and on track. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.